Hi everyone, Seamus O'Brien with Remax Select Properties here on Friday, August the 5th, 2016 for your midsummer market update. The last 6 months to a year sure have been a wild ride for both buyers and sellers. Buyers have been faced with multiple offer situations, sometimes facing up to over 10 offers on any given property, whereas sellers have been faced with a difficult decision as to whether or not this has been the right time for them to sell, and if they were planning on staying in Vancouver, where on earth were they going to buy? The last 3 weeks to a month, though, have indicated a cooling trend in the market. There's been a plateauing in prices, an influx of new inventory, and buyers are left with a little bit more time on their hands to make their critical decisions. What this means for both buyers and sellers is that buyers, well, you're going to have a little bit more choice on your hands, and we might expect to see listings on the market for a little bit more than the market average, which has been, up until now, for the last few months, 7 to 10 days. In fact, today's statistic indicates that we've gone up 20% in that category, meaning listings are staying on the market for a whole 12 days. However, for sellers and leading into the fall, we can expect that since there's an influx of new inventory already, and typically we don't see that until the fall market, this probably indicates that we're going to be on the market for a little bit longer. And in a quote-unquote normal market in Vancouver, that could mean upwards to a month, maybe even a month and a half. During that time, though, Sheila and I need to keep you abreast of any new listings and sales that may happen on your block or in your neighborhood, or for those of you in condos, in your building or in, again, your surrounding neighborhood. It's our job as well to let you know how this 15% foreign buyer tax is going to impact the market in the weeks to come. There hasn't been enough time yet since last week's announcement to see how that's ultimately going to impact the day-to-day basis of Vancouver's real estate market. We do speculate, however, that on the grand scheme of things, the 15% to your average global billionaire may not be such a deterrent when it comes to investing your money in a safe haven like Vancouver, and it may just be considered a cost of doing business. Sheila and I, though, are here for any questions you may have, though, and we'd be happy to answer them at any time, and you know where to reach us. You can find us at www.SheilaO'BrienGroup.com, or feel free to send us an email anytime, info@SheilaO'BrienGroup.com, or give me a call, again, Seamus O'Brien with Remax Select Properties, 778-628-0885. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you again for all of the calls and inquiries you've given to us so far. We're really looking forward to helping you navigate through this difficult market as it continues to unfold into our busy fall market. Thanks very much. Bye for now.